Good morning, children. I am Pooja Pareva. With me, Sanjay Bharadwaj. Today, we will study Class 9th, Subject English, Textbook, Beehive, Prose. Lesson 7. Packing. Part 2. Dear children, in Part 1, we knew about the summary of this lesson. Today, we will do question answers of this lesson. Okay, let's start. Question number 1. Word meanings. Children, in this question, we will learn the meaning of these English words in Hindi. Okay? Ready? तैयार होना. Packing, बांधना. Journey, यात्रा. Supervise, निगरानी. Alone, अकेला. Question number 2. Choose the correct alternative. Dear children, in this question, we will choose a correct answer and write it in the bracket. Who is the narrator of the story? Correct answer is Jerome. So we will write A in the bracket. Question number 3. Match the words, phrases in column A with their meaning in column B. Children, in this question, we will match these words or phrases in column A with their meaning in column B. Okay? Question number 1. Slaving. Correct answer is D. Working hard. We will match like this. Question number 2. Chaos. Correct answer is A. Complete confusion and disorder. We will match like this. Question number 3. Rummage. Correct answer is B. Search for something by moving things around hurriedly or carelessly. We will match like this. Question number 4. Scrape out. Correct answer is C. Remove something from inside another thing using a sharp tool. We will match like this. Okay? Question number 5. Stumble over, tumble into. Correct answer is H. Fall or step awkwardly while walking. We will match like this. Question number 6. Accomplish. Correct answer is E. Finish, successfully, achieve. We will match like this. Question number 7. Uncanny. Correct answer is F. Strange, mysterious, difficult to explain. We will match like this. Question number 8. To have or get into. A row. Correct answer is G. A quarrel or an argument. We will match like this. Okay? Question number 4. Answer the following question. Where did Jerome finally find the toothbrush? Answer. Jerome finally found the toothbrush inside a boot when he was putting the things back one by one after turning them out of the bag. So children, now we have completed the question answers of this lesson. Now you will do homework yourself. Okay? Homework. Question number 1. Write the meaning of the following words in English. Children, in this question, you will write the meaning of these Hindi words in English. For example, तैयार होना. We will write READY, ready. In the same way, you will write the meaning of these Hindi words in English yourself. Okay? Question number 2. Choose the correct alternative. The final packing ends at around dash. Choose the correct answer and write it in the bracket. Question number 3. Match the words, phrases in column A with their meaning in column B. Children, in this question, you will match these words or phrases in column A with their meaning in column B. For example, slaving. Correct answer is D. Working hard. You will match like this. In the same way, you will match these words or phrases with their meaning yourself. Okay? Question number 4. Answer the following question. Why did Jerome have to reopen the packed bag? Write the answer yourself. So children, now we have completed this lesson. Okay? Thank you. Bye bye.